All right, what's up, guys? This is Mark Augustine. Who am I if you've never seen me before? I am Mark Augustine. I've drop shipped, been in e-commerce for 10 years, sold over $20 million on Facebook, Facebook, eBay, Shopify, Walmart, Amazon. And in this video, I'm going to go through a little bit about how to be an intelligent drop shipper. And it's very basic. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. In the description, if you want to check out FBM Fox, which is software, the number one software in dropshipping, you can check it out. There's a free trial. You can use the coupon code MARK10 to get a discount. But let's get into it. The number one rule to making consistent sales in drop shipping is to sell what sells. What do I mean by that? If items are selling and you're selling the same thing, you sell for less, it'll work. But when doing Facebook Marketplace drop shipping, there's no data on what sells on Facebook. So when you're listing items on Facebook, you want to ensure to list items that you know sell. How do you know that item sells? With data, information, someone giving you an indication that items are selling. Now, this is anyway, let me skip forward because I want to make sure that a lot of you guys think that I'm just jumping and dancing and being an affiliate to FBM Fox. And a lot of influencers go down that road. Be an affiliate to or sell software just for the money. I struggle to just do that. So I want to continue explaining. So when dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace, generally speaking, I personally use mainly Amazon and Walmart, and to a less extent eBay. Now, how eBay is used is, let's say I'm dropshipping an item from Walmart. So let's say I'm dropshipping a men's mountain bike as usual. That's my go-to example. What I would first do is find a decent men's mountain bike that is selling on Walmart, because it's selling on Walmart, is being shipped by Walmart, and it has delivery to home. Because you don't want to be drop shipping from a drop ship on Walmart. So you want to make sure the items are sold by Walmart. So the first thing you could go ahead and do when you're doing this research is to restrict the retailer. Where are you, baby? There's a place in this filter. Right. Retailers, you want to only have Walmart items. Then you want to make sure you have items that sell. So if you use FBM Fox, remember we talked about data. FBM Fox, research. Walmart doesn't have. I already restricted the retailer, so I'm not going to set competition and sales and so on. I just want to. Actually, I should set sales because the filter is there. So let's do it. I want at least 30 sales a month, which would mean, let me close this, which would mean at least a sale a day. So I want 30 sales a month, minimum sales 30, and then we search. So I'm only finding items that sell. And I'm only finding items that sell on both Walmart. Well, Walmart is supplier, so I know it sells there, and I'll go to eBay to confirm it sells at a higher price, and then get the ideal title. So this is interesting. Well, this only sells 4 times a month, so it doesn't fit the criteria. This sells 200 times a month, but it's pickup only. So let's filter it down some more, because I want items that deliver to home, 2-day delivery or deliver to home. And what you will notice that the items that fit all our criteria between FBM Fox and the page will show up in green. So it saves you a lot of time. And there's none. So let me reduce. If I go to FBM Fox, I'm going to do some more research. I'll reduce the minimum sales. Let's say 10 sales a month. Usually on Amazon, you get a lot more items that sell 20 times a day, because of the nature of Amazon. So FBM Fox is going through all the items, see if anything fits that criteria. So I want at least 10 sales a month. I restricted the stuff on Walmart. So let's see what comes up. FBM Fox continues to search. So we have one item that fits all the criteria. So I would definitely list this item. It sells $12,000 a month, 424 times a month. You could list it. You could definitely list it directly on Facebook, or you could go to Amazon to get a different go to eBay to get a different title. But yeah, dude, that's when you're drop shipping on any platform. You want to use data. You want to use as much information as possible, so you'll sell. And this is how you dropship on Facebook. You use FBM Fox. It gives you data on eBay, Amazon, Walmart, and you only choose items that are shipped on time and sell regularly. Have a good one, guys. Like my video, subscribe to my channel. Look in the description for FBM Fox with a coupon code Mark10. Peace.